Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open Capcut and create a new project with your clip or clips. Make sure your audio is clear and free of overlapping voices. Trim clips to final length so captions sync without extra editing. Keep spoken segments longer than 2 seconds for reliable transcription. Set project resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 FPS before exporting. Rename your project with descriptive text for faster searching later. Save the project to local storage on your device. Close other apps to improve processing performance. Tap Text, then choose Auto Captions to start automated transcription. Select the spoken language that matches your audio for best accuracy. Choose between standard or accurate modes if that option appears. Tap Generate and wait while Capcut processes the audio and creates live text. Review every caption and correct punctuation, names, or timing errors manually. Split or merge lines to match on-screen actions and pauses. Adjust caption duration if a line shows less than 2 seconds on screen. Save changes after editing captions. Customize font, size, and position for readability on all devices. Choose a sans serif font and set size between 30 and 48 for mobile screens. Enable outline or shadow to keep text visible over bright backgrounds and complex footage. Use bold sparingly and keep line length under 42 characters for easy reading. Decide whether to hardcode captions or export them as editable subtitle files. Export at 1080p 30 FPS for social sharing and playback compatibility. Check the final video to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.